This session will be handling about how the future trends in strategic management could be incorporated with the design thinking concept. Okay, so we'll go with that approach and we'll see what we are in search of and how we are going to attain this goal and vision of the particular organization. So we'll see. So first, this is when we talk about here, you should have a proper goal and vision that should be framed. So you have to attain a volatility, uncertainty, complexity and ambiguity. So this should be attained. This should be your ultimate goal when you are going into, when we are seeking for a future sustainability. So for this, we have to search the concepts like empathy, experimentation, iteration problem, then the concepts like agile could also support in your work, right? So let us discuss each and everybody's views and ideas to meet these approaches.
So far, user-centric approach. One of the most significant trends in strategic management is the shift towards a user-centric approach. So the key elements: empathy mapping, understanding user experiences and pain points; customer journey mapping, visualizing the user experience to identify opportunities for improvement; prioritizing customer needs; and strategic management, daily organizational direction. Okay, thank you.
You all agree with this point. You have to prioritize. He is telling that you have to prioritize each and everything and doing the things, right? Next.
Next, agile mindset. Yeah, an agile mindset is becoming essential in strategic management as organizing must respond swiftly to market change and distribution. Design thinking aligns well with agile methodologies, promoting flexibility and responsibility in strategic planning. Key elements: sprint planning short, focused period for developing and testing strategic initiatives; adaptability, embracing change and pivoting strategy based on new insights.
So when we talk about agile itself, it's a concept where the traditional is converted into and you are updating into the future and recent trends. That is what is called as agile. Okay. So agile is a concept where traditional is overcome by the recent trends that is updating. Okay. So you have to always have a wrapper out with your competitor what he is doing and how you are making your product unique one. So that is that. So agile concept is supported in here. What could be the next question?
So to be continued, next topic is in design thinking problem solving method. It is cross-functional strategy collaboration. Every business is a problem solving model. Design thinking process collaborate after various departments subject and hinder innovations at the idea process and management practice and integrates cross-function team strategy, idea and solutions. So it is a four-stage process. First, encouraging innovation, draft and collaborations. Cross-function teams, collaboration, diverse idea, breakdown syllabus. It is a four element things in the innovation, technology, collaboration. Indicate disciplinary terms, revealing in skills and conversation technology and challenges, co-creating workshop based on the design thinking stakeholders and ideation for the commitment.
So you should always have a cross-functional strategic collaboration for diverse teams. So team A, team B, team C, when you differentiate, team A should be able to work team B and team B, team C's work. So team C should be able to work team A and team B when they are maximum. So you should always have a multi-skilling training to give a multi-skilling training to your employees to avoid the waiting time of machineries or waiting time of job or waiting time of human or anything. So this multi-skilling and multiple skill development training will also help in the organization. So that's what he was talking about. What else it could be?
Fourth one is iterative process, prototyping, developing quick and cost-effective models to test ideas, feedback loops, incorporating user feedback to enhance strategy initiatives.
Yeah, you can also see that always and everybody wants a good quality product at a low cost. So when we talk about this point, I think we could also have a thing that when you reduce the cycle time of a manufacturing of a product and cycle time or manufacturing of any other activity that is happening, or human personally is going to work for a long time duration. If you cut short all these things, cost of the product also will come down. When the cost of the product is going down, you will be the leader of the market. So everybody will be very, people are interested in two main concepts. One, they need a quality product at low cost. So when you satisfy this both, your business will sustain and you will be the ruling in the market, right? So what else could be?
Next one is this thing about data driving decision making. The implications of the design thinking with the data analytics in the short and future statistic management. Our decisions are leveraging and data informing their design processing and ensuring the statistics are not only innovating but also grounding in key elements. Data visualization using visual tool to infer data and inform strategic decisions.
Yeah, I do agree with that. So what she's coming to say is, you should always have a trial and error. When there's a pain point from the customer and he wants some difference from your side, so from the stage of designing itself, you have to plan it. So there will always be an eagle view of the product, and there will be many iterations of that will prevail. So each and every iteration, what will happen, you have to just go through and you have to make correction there and there to sustain. So make the product the better. So this is what.
So while we getting into this concern, we have to focus on two major categories, which one is to be sustainable, and then we have to be a trend in the market. Without acquiring the trend of the market, we couldn't sustain first. And then, even though we are doing some disruptive or radical innovation, we have to be aware of the sustainability, which is not affected the environment, because if we have a normal corporate trend which is called as ESG, environment social governance. We have to consign that for a product or a service when we are getting into the market. This is what the two kinds we have to focus in approaches of strategic management.
So I admit with him, and what he is going to tell us, we have to be technologically updated. So whatever key concepts we have to adapt with it to sustain the market. Yeah, I mean, so I would like Arundhati, would you like to answer all these things?
User-centric approach. Focus on understanding and meeting user needs and collaborative problems, ensuring teamwork and shared solution. Data driven decision making. Data insight for informed strategy.
So these are the things that we have. So hope you have any other queries to ask. Thank you.